Hi everyone, again I am here with again the same topic. It's a differential equation. Till now we have discussed about our solution of differential equations, in which we have solved many problems based on differential equation. In today's class, we are going to just little bit of solve up some problems which we have to be reduced in our differential equation form to applying our variable separable method. Look, for example, if we take solve the differential equation. We have the one problem. We have to solve differential equation is given by cos x plus y dy. Look, now what do we say there? We have a cos x plus y. Now it's a function of x and y both there. Then what we have to do to solve such likes of differential problem when our two variables are we having a two variables or more than two variables with a function there, then how can we solve this type of problems? To solve this types of differential equation, actually it's our topic based on our variable separable method. Then first of all we have to be reduce this format. We have to we have to be reduce this in our one of the variable there. How can we solve? Just look it. First of all we have a two variable there, x plus y. Then what we have to take, let x plus y is equal to z. To substitute we have to be reduced in a single variable there. Now when we have x plus y equal to z, look, first of all this equation can be in the form of it's a dx by dy is equal to cos x plus y. To solve it, when we are going to separate our variables, but our variables x plus y in this sum form there, that's why we have to be use method here, equation reduced to on a single variable there. Then what we do? We take x plus y equal to z. We are going to differentiate with, we need dx by dy. Then we are going to differentiate this with respect to y. Then we have dx dy. Here we get 1 is equal to ddx of z. Now from here we are going to put the value of dx dy here. Then what we have? We have here dz by dx minus 1 is equal to cos z. Now it's an what we have? Also we can write down dz is to dx is equal to 1 plus cos z. Now we are going to apply our we are going to separate our variables. After separating variables, what we have? We have dz upon 1 plus cos z is equal to dx. Further we can solve it. Our 1 plus cos z, it's can be written down 1 plus 2 cos square z minus 1 equal to dx. Then now it's reduced to dz upon this one and cancel out that we have this, we have here 1 by 2. What we have? It's a 1 by 2. 1 upon cos square is what? Sec square z dz equal to dx. Now what do? We are going to integrating both sides. Now we are going to integrating both sides. Then what we have? We have 1 by 2 sec square z. Sorry, it's a cos z. Then we have 1 plus 2 cos square z by 2. Z by 2. Z by 2 dz is equal to integration of dx. Then what is our integration of sec square z by 2? Yes, it's a tan z by 2 divided by 1 by 2 equal to x and plus c. This is cancel out. Then we have tan z by 2. What is our z? X plus y equal to x plus c. This is our required solution of the given course of problem. What is it? What you discussed here? Now again going to revise. We have a problem cos x plus y equal to dy dx. So when we are going to transform, then we have dx by dy equal to cos x plus y. It is a form of equations we have to be reduced in the variable separator method, and in the sum of there are two variables, but both are in the sum of function there. Then we are going to be reduced in a single variable. We take x plus y equal to z. Then what we have dx, we have x plus y z. Then we have to differentiate it. Dx dy plus 1 equal to dz by dx. Then dz by dx is equal to 1 plus cos z. Then from here we are going to separate our variables when we have dz upon 1 plus cos z equal to dx. Then after solving, and we are going to integrate it. After integrating, we get our required solution is what? Tan x plus y by 2 equal to x plus c. This is our first problem. In today's class, what we have discussed, we have discussed that. Today we are going to discuss the problems which is based on equations reducible to variable separable. Then we are going to start with our next problem. Just going to take next. Our next problem is now look up. In our next problem, it's solve the differential equations. Now we have to solve. What is our differential equation? It's a sine inverse dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Now we have problem. We have to solve sine inverse dy dx equal to x plus y. Now look, first of all, from here what we get? Dy dx equal to sine. Again from here, if we want to separate our variables, then we have a little bit difficulty to solve this problem. And again we have to reduce it. What we do? Again let x plus y equal to z. Then from here we have dy dx differentiating with respect to y. Then we have what? We need dy by dx. Then we differentiating with respect to x. Then we get x is 1 and dy dx is equal to ddx of z. Then from here we are going to putting the value of dy dx. Now our equation reduced to dz dx minus 1 is equal to sine z, or we can write it dz is to dx equal to 1 plus sine z. Now we are going to using our variable separable application. Then what we have? Now we have dz upon 1 plus sine z is equal to dx. Now it's we are going to rationalize it. Then what we have? We are going to multiply 1 minus sine z, our numerator and denominator. Then our problem reduced to a 1 minus sine z upon, here we get 1 minus sine square z, means it's a cos square z. Dz is equal to dx. I am again going to revise you what we'll do. We have dz upon 1 plus sine z. I am going to rationalize it, multiplying with 1 minus sine z, our numerator and denominator. Then our problem reduces to a 1 minus sine z, and it's a 1 minus sine square is what? It's a cos square z. Then now 1 upon cos square is what? We have sec square z, and sin z by cos square is what? Minus tan z into sec z, and dz is equal to dx. Now what we have to do? Yes, we are going to be integrate both sides. Now integrating both sides, then what we have? Integration of sec square z is what? I am just going to write down integration of sec square z dz minus integration of tan z into sec z dz equal to integration of dx. Then here we get tan z, here we get sec z is equal to x plus c. Now we are going to put the value of z. And what we have, 10 x plus y minus sec x plus y equal to x plus c. This is our solution of the given differential equation. What is our solution? We get our solution is what? 10x plus y minus sec x plus y equal to x plus c. It is our required. This is our required solution. Again, I am going to revise you what we do here. We have a problem, sin inverse dy dx equal to x plus y. First of all, we can write down, since it's an inverse function, then we have dy dx equal to sin x plus y. Then we take x plus y equal to z. Then our dz is substitute by, what we get, dy dx is substitute by dz dx minus 1. Putting here the value of dy dx by here and changing x plus y to z. Then we have dz by dx equal to minus 1. Then now we are able to separate our variables. After separating variables, we have dz upon 1 plus sin z equal to dx. Then after that we are using our trigonometric identities. Then we get, after rationalization, we get 1 minus sin z upon cos square z. Now 1 upon cos square sec square z, and sin z upon cos square z is what, tan z into sec z dz dx. Then after that we are going to integrate our both side. Integrating both side, we get integration of sec square z is what, it's a tan z. Integration of tan z into sec z is what, it's a sec z, and dx is x plus our constant c, and putting the value of z is x plus y, we get our required solution. What do we get our required solution? It's a tan x plus y minus sec x plus y is equal to x plus c. Now I hope so you are able to understand. Now we are move to our next problem. I am just going to again take a problem with based on our, again a variable separate problem. Yes. Now next problem is our from the our it's a solve the differential equation. What do we have? It's our third problem. What do we have? We have to solve dy by dx is equal to, solve dy by dx is equal to 4x plus y plus 1. 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. Now look, what we have the problem? We have given there what, dy dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1. Now we have to solve it. What we have to do? Because look, we cannot separate our variables in the given problem. Then what we do? Look, we have to be let 4x plus y plus 1 is equal to z. Yes, we have to be take our, because it's create a difficulty to solve it. Then now differentiating, because it's in form of dy dx, differentiating with respect to x, we get here 4, we get here dy dx, and we get here it's a 0. Now our dy dx is reduced by dzx minus 4, and now our equation convert to what's it's now we have dz to dx minus 4 is equal to z square. Now our dz and dx is equal to z square plus 4. Now from here we are able to separate our variables. What we have? Dz is to z square plus 4 equal to dx. Now our variables are separate. Then we have to be integrating both sides. Integration of dz z square plus 4 equal to integration of dx. What is integration of z square by z square plus 4? Yes. What do we have? It's a z square plus 2 square. Then 1 by 2 tan inverse z by 2 equal to x plus c. And what do we have? 1 by 2. What is our z here? It's a 4x plus y plus 1 upon 2 is equal to x plus c. This is our required solution. This is our required solution. What we have? 1 by 2 tan inverse 4x plus y plus 1 by 2 equal to x plus c. Again we are going to I am going to revise the same problem we have. What we have? We have dy dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. It's create a difficulty to solve it. That's why we are going to take it's a 4x plus y plus 1 equal to z. Then we get 4 plus dy dx equal to dz by dx. Then from here we reduce our equation. The value of dy dx is what? Dz by dx minus 4. We are going to put the value here. Dz by dx minus 4, and it's our z square. Then after that we are what we do? We are separating our variables. After separating variables, we have integration of dz upon z square plus 4 equal to integration of dx. Then what we have? It's a 1 by 2 tan inverse z by 2 equal to x plus c. Then we have 1 by 2 tan inverse 4x plus y plus 1 upon 2 equal to x plus c. This is our required solution for the given differential equation. Now look, till now we have discussed 3 problems from the equation to reducible form there. Now just taking here this now I am going to take the problem from one of the problem. It's our from NCERT exemplar there. It's solve. What do we have? It's our problem number 4. We have to solve. What is the problem we have? We have to solve dy dx equal to dy dx is equal to sin x plus y. It's a plus or multiply plus cos x plus y. Again, from problem till now we have discussed our the problem based on variable separable method. But when we are going to look at our problem again, we cannot separate our variables easily there. Then we are going to facing a problem because two variables are in the sum form is in the sum forms there. Then again, what we will do? We have to be do. First of all, we have to be reduce it. Then we take what? Let again. We take let x plus y equal to z. We assume our x plus y equal to z. Then what we have? Again, going to differentiate. Then what we have? 1 plus dy dx is equal to dz dx. Now we are going to substitute the value of dy dx from here. What we get? We get dz by dx minus 1 equal to sin z plus cos z. Look, now from here we are able to separate our variables. We are going to separate our variables. Then what do we get? We get dz is to dx is equal to 1 plus sin z plus cos z. 1 plus sin z plus cos z. Now we are going to applying our method. We are going to separate our variables from here. Then we have dz upon 1 plus sin z plus cos z is equal to dx. Now look, in your mind now you are going to think about it. What is the integration of the problem 1 plus sin z plus cos z? Look, whenever you are going to solve differential equation, you have to be master of integration. If you have not a command in the solving integration problem, then you are not able to be taking your are not going to be mastering in your differential equation solving. Look, we have to be integrate here dz upon 1 plus sin z plus cos z. How can we solve this integration? Look, first of all, we are going to be using our trigonometric identity. We take 1 plus cos z in the bracket, take 1 plus cos z in a single bracket, and then sin z is equal to dx. Now put the value of cos z is what? 2 cos square z by 2 minus 1. So after putting, what do we get here? We get 2 cos square z by 2, and then expand sin z in its identity. What do we have? 2 sin z by 2 into cos z by 2 equal to dx. Now look, after this we have a identity in the cos and the sin form. Now we are going to divide these both terms by cos square z by 2. Then what we have? Take 2 common there. Then here we have in numerator we have 1 by 2 sec square z by 2, and denominator here we get 1, and here we get 10 z by 2, and dz is equal to dx. Now look, when we are going to take 1 plus 10 z by 2 is t, what we get? We get 1 by 2 sec square z by 2. dz is what? equal to dt. Now we are able to integrate it it's easily. Then what we do? From here we are going to integrating both sides. I am going to again recall you that we are going to take 1 plus tan z by 2 is t, then it's 0, we get from here sec square z by 2, and the integration of z by 2 is what? It's a, then from here it's a multiply with 2, then 1 by 2 and 2 cancel out, then what do we have? We have log 1 plus, after integration we have log 1 plus tan z by 2 is equal to x plus c. Now look, we are going to put the value of z. What the value of z? It's x plus y. Then log 1 plus tan x plus y upon 2 is equal to x plus c. This is our required solution of the differential equation dy dx equal to sin x plus y plus cos x plus y. I am just going to again revise you. What we do? First of all, in the given problem, till now we have discussed the problem based on our variable separable method. But here what we see that our two variables are in the sum forms. Then what we do? We are going to reduce in a single variable. We take x plus y equal to z. Then differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 here dy dx equal to dz by dx. Then from here we get the value of dy dx is what? Dz minus 1. Then we are going to put in our equation dz dx minus 1. Then it's a sin z plus cos z. Put the values of 1 here. Then what do we have? Our dz dx equal to 1 plus sin z plus cos z. Then we are going to separate our variables. Then we have dz upon 1 plus sin z plus cos z equal to dx. After that we take our 1 plus cos z in the single bracket plus sin z. Then we expand our cos z in the form of 2 cos square z by 2 minus 1, 1 and cancel. Then we have 2 cos square z by 2. Then again we expand our sin a. What is the value of sin a? 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. Then sin z is what? 2 sin z by 2 into cos z by 2. Look up. Now here what do we do? You have to be marks here. To solve this, we are going to be divide our this. First of all, we are taking this 2 common. Then we have 1 by 2 here. Then dividing our both terms by cos square z by 2. Then here we have 1. When we are going to divide here cos square z by 2, sin z by 2, cos z by 2, tan z by 2, and 1 cos is z by 2 is cancelled to each other. Then after that we are going to integrating. When we are going to integrating, we take 1 plus tan z by 2 is t. When we take is t, then what do we get? We get 2 into sec square z by 2. dz is removed, then we get 2 here. And sec square dz dt there, then it's a dt by t format, and the integration of dt by t is what? Log t. What is our t? It's a 1 plus tan z by 2 equal to x plus c. Then what do we get? We get our required solution is what? It's a log 1 plus tan x plus y by 2 equal to x plus c. Now again we have to take another example here. Look, we are going to take up next example again with based on our differential equation problem. What is the problem? It's a given solve the differential equations. It's our question number 5. What do we have? We have to solve x plus y whole square it's multiply with x plus y whole square dy dx is equal to 1, given that y is equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Look, we have y equal to 0 and x is 1. Now to solve it, we have to use here particular solution there. What we have to use? We have to use its particular solution there. Then look, again it's a topic or based on our variable separable method. Then we have to be put here. First of all, look, what do we do? again it's a x plus y whole square dy dx. If we are going to expand it, x plus y whole square, then what we get? We get it's a x square plus y square plus 2xy. Then again it's a we are going to facing a little bit difficulty there. Then we are not going to using this condition here. First of all, again we have to reduce it. Take x plus y is equal to z. Differentiating with respect to x, we have 1 plus dy dx is equal to dz dx. From here we are get the value of dy dx is what? Dz dx minus 1. Then what we have? This is our x plus y z. Then we have z square, and the value of dy dx is what? Dz dx minus 1 is equal to 1. Now look what we have. We are going to z square, then we have dz by dx minus 1 equal to 1 by z square, and also what we have, z by dx is equal to 1 by z square plus 1. Then again we are going to solve it. What do we get? It's a dz upon dx is equal to 1 plus z square by z square. Now we are able to separate our variables. Then what we get? It's a z square upon 1 plus z square dz is equal to dx. Now what we do? We are going to be integrating it from here. Integrating both sides. Look what we have. We have a z square upon 1 plus z square. Then what we do? We are going to add 1 and then subtracting 1. Dz is equal to dx. Now if we take 1 plus z square by this, then what we have? What do we have, beta? We have 1 here. Then integration of 1 dz and minus integration of 1 upon 1 plus z square dz is equal to integration of dx. Now it's from here what we get? We get z. Here we get minus tan inverse z, and here we get x plus c. Now after getting, now we have to put the values in z. What is our z? It's x plus y, and here x plus y minus tan inverse x plus y is equal to x plus c. But it's a problem of a solution of a particular function. We have to be using this condition. When we have y equal to 0, then we have x equal to 1. Now in particular solution we have now to see there is this is. Then we are going to use our condition now. Y0 x1. Y0 x1 means here we get 1. Here we get 1 minus tan inverse 1 means what we get? Pi by 4 equal to either here we get 1 plus c. Then from here we get the value of c is what? It's a minus pi by 4. Putting this value, putting the value of c in this equation 1. Then what is we have? X plus y minus tan inverse x plus y minus it's equal to x, and the value of c is minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. Look up. It's a problem from the particle solution there. Then I am going to again revise you this. What do we have to do? We have problem x plus y whole square dy dx equal to 1. Take we have the condition y0 x1 x plus y z, then 1 plus dy dx equal to dz by dx. Then we are going to put x plus y z, then we have z square at the place of dy dx. What we get? Dz dx minus 1 equal to 1. Then dz dx minus 1 equal to 1 upon z square. Then adding this one here. Then what do we get? We get dz by dx equal to 1 plus z square by z square. Then after what we have, separating our variables, we get z square upon 1 plus z square dz equal to dx. Then to solve, now we have to solve this to integrate it. Then we are going to add 1 and subtract 1. Then after integration, what we have? We can use our integration here. In integration, we have operation. Then it's a 1 plus z square by 1 plus z square. Then we have integration of 1 dz and minus 1 upon 1 plus z square dz equal to integration of dx. Then with integration of 1 is z, integration of 1 upon 1 plus z square is tan inverse z, integration of dx is x plus c. But here we have to use our condition. What is our condition? X is 1 and y is 0. What is the value of x is 1, y 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, tan inverse 1 pi by 4, x is 1. we get the value of c is minus pi by 4. Then we have x plus y minus tan inverse x plus y equal to x minus 4. We can also cancel out this x because this is our x. Then what is our solution? It's a y minus tan inverse x plus y plus pi by 4 equal to 0. This is our required solution. Then please please revise all these problems at your home. Thanks to all.